Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching not a movie review. And right now I'm not going to be reviewing Rocky Handsome. In case you follow me on Twitter, which if you don't, you should, you would see something I call #interval tweets. This is basically me assessing the first half of the movie I'm currently watching and wondering out loud if I will be able to survive the second half of the film. Yeah, so during Rocky Handsome, I was tweeting up a storm. Nope. One big giant nope. Rocky Handsome begins with the forced romantic sequence between John Abraham and Shruti Hassan, which is shot so haphazardly in all kinds of exotic locations with every romantic song trope possible. Alright children, trope number 1. Very cutely tie up his shoelaces when he's lying down taking a nap so he'll fall over when he gets up, yes? Trope number 2, jump up and down and clap so adorably like a sea lion on coke. Trope number 3, run slow motion on the beach while he chases you. And trope number 4, take selfies while he lifts you up like fucking King Kong. No. John Abraham's Kabir Ahlawat is a man of few words and has no track record before the age of 30 because no one cares. His wife is dead and so is he on the inside and he likes to kill people because life is death. उसकी बिल्डिंग में एक छोटी सी शरारती सी बच्ची है जो ऑफ कोर्स कबीर की दोस्त बन जाती है. Now him being dead on the inside and whatnot, he can't show his feelings for her, but he loves that little girl. So when Bachchi gets kidnapped, Kabir is out to save her. यहाँ he gets involved in a drug/organ trafficking racket run by a Raghu lookalike and his brother with a Heath Ledger hangover. Oh man, it's just all over the place. At one point, the Goa police is trying to search for Kabir Ahlawat's identity online and all his files are locked. Whatever the fuck that means. Now their genius solution is to write an email to the White House in the name of Kabir Ahlawat threatening to assassinate the president. So then the White House will launch an inquiry into Kabir Ahlawat, unlock all his files because the IP address is the Goa police address. The CIA will come to them, they will get all the information, job done. So they send an email to POTUS with the content, I kill you. It's pretty racist by the way. I swear I'm not making this up. It's like my 80-year-old nephew came up with this plan. Nishikant Kamath, the director, is also acting in this film. And although not a bad actor at all, he's written for himself a part, so meh. And he kind of realized it. So I think that's why he's given John Abraham an elaborate Tai Chi sequence bordering on ballet. Ki body dekho. I really love John Abraham. He looks great, he works super hard and he's such a sweetheart. But sir, not to sound judgmental, but पिछली फिल्म आपने की थी Welcome Back. अभी करिए Rocky Handsome. अगली बार just थोड़ा सा better script choice. So थोड़ा सा, that's it, just a little better. I mean, one scene had abducted children cooking meth, yaar. And one of them then inhales the meth and just like... On a scale of 1 to 10, Rocky Handsome is 20 selfies that dude uploads from the gym every day. Sure, he looks good, but first floor khali hai. Romantic tropes तो सारे गिना दिए. अब चलिए YouTube tropes की बारी है. Like, share, subscribe to Film Companion to get your film fix.